So we have two stocks for you today trading in deep value territory that could provide you with massive gains in the years to come. Both of these are for more risk-oriented investors using that part of their portfolio to risk a little bit of money for massive outsized gains, but these can easily find their place in a millionaire maker's portfolio. Both of these stocks are in the high technology space, modernizing their fields, unloved, thrown out, but not dead. Very compelling stories here, and again, trading in deep value territory. So if you're willing to risk a little bit of money as your investment, invest some time, these can turn into the millionaire maker stocks that you've dreamed of. So let's take a look. The first up is Navitas. So Navitas, boy, trading at under $3 a share. This one is in the deep value basement at this point in time. Navitas Semiconductor company with a stated goal of electrifying our world using next generation power electronic components. Specifically, they're into the GaN, that is the gallium nitride. This is a different type of chip. It's highly energy efficient, not many players in this market. And the players that we're going to talk about today have a leading edge in this market. So it's energy efficiency, quick charging, lots of uses, and for a world that is electrifying fast. You keep hearing about the power plays and the power situations going on right now. More and more companies going nuclear. GaN has its place in the world and perhaps in your portfolio. So down 68% just for this year, and with a paltry $470 million market cap, Navitas could fit the bill for you, for me. 91 million in revenues for a run rate, and it's actually showing some growth in an era where a lot of these tech stocks have sputtered or fallen by the wayside, waiting for the next cycle to occur. Navitas is still experiencing some growth in a rather challenging economy. Again, a leader in the GaN, the gallium nitride design development of these integrated chips. Energy efficiency is the name of the game going forward. They've got solid management team. So I invite you to take a look at the Navitas website, take a look at the leadership team. A lot of experience in setting up companies, driving change. They know how to get it done. Hey, they also have a very strong customer base. So take a look at what they offer in their customers. Samsung, Dell, Lenovo, and others are all valued customers of Navitas. And they have products that fit into the mobile, electric vehicle, and enterprise spaces, as well as solar. So if you're looking for an interesting play at under $3 a share with a small market cap, Navitas could be the explosive opportunity that fits the bill for you. The next one to talk about is also very similar, and that is none other than Wolfspeed. Wolfspeed is also into the GaN chips and silicon carbide chips. This is another U.S.-based, not only designer, but also manufacturer. Navitas is a designer. They don't have the manufacturing capabilities yet. Wolfspeed does it both. This is also down 63% so far this year, although they've had a little bit of a hockey stick coming right back up in recent weeks. They have a $2 billion market cap, so it's a very compelling opportunity here. They actually have 800 million run rate in revenue, so there's some pretty sizable revenue behind this. And what's very compelling about Wolfspeed, besides being in the silicon carbide and the GaN semiconductor space, which is the cutting edge technology, they also just received $750 million in the CHIPS Act funding. Quite interesting, just coming this on the heels of that this week. And they also secured $750 million from a group of investors led by Apollo. So now they've raised, or in the process of completing the raise, of $1.5 billion, which should help build out their facilities and drive expansion. So cutting edge technology, very interesting space, leadership in the group, deep value bin for a company, again, down 63% just this year alone, but solid revenue, and that's attracted a lot of attention from the U.S. government that wants to secure production like this in the U.S. borders, and a large investor group. This could be the cutting edge technology company that you want to be a part of for your portfolio. Go for the knockout. Take a look at these two opportunities. Energy efficiency, homegrown in the U.S., could be a fantastic opportunity for massive gains in your portfolio.